So in the last couple clips and time lapse you've seen, we just finished doing the front, back, and one side wall. The next clip you'll see that we're going to put the last wall on, but we put these joists on like support beams type thing, just so that we didn't have to hold them up. That's why you see the cross on the side. We removed that at the end, as you can see in the next couple clips, but that's what we did, and I just wanted to give you a quick heads up of what we did. Hey guys! So we're building the coop now today. My dad took a day off from work to finish the coop. Yeah, so let's just get straight into the video, right? Yeah, let's go to the coop now. For the roof, we put a small piece of wood on the back of the front wall, which allowed us to fit a 2x4 by cutting off the angled ends to fit, and then we put small 2x4s in between to give it that support. Okay guys, I'll show you what I'm thinking of doing inside the coop. Hello ladies! They're mad because they want to get out to scratch here, but they can't. Susan's in here. I don't know if you can see her. She's broody. Susan! Susan! And then Mary's in that one. Susan was in that one, so I took the lid off so that she couldn't be broody. But she insisted in being broody, so I gotta kick her out in a minute. Anyway, so as we walk in, this is a door. Got quite a big door, so that if I needed to bring a wheelbarrow in, I was able to. That's what I really want, or a bag of feed or something like that. Then I would be able to. So I walk in. To the left, I would hopefully have my hay here, and then to the right, I would have my feed and shavings. We want a window here so that there's ventilation coming in, and we were thinking of getting a window here, but they are crazy expensive, so I might cut that out of the picture. So
So we have the chicken right there, so we need to put the top of the roof up there and let them cut it.
yeah. Are you so excited about the chicken coop? Are you gonna help me every day?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Are you gonna collect all the eggs?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Say see you soon, guys.
See you soon, guys.
And we got the roof up. Woo woo. Hey guys, so I'm going to try to do my best to explain this next clip. So my aunt, I borrowed this cage from my aunt for a couple days, and so now I have to give it back to her because she just got some new chickens, so I wanted to make sure that's with her. So I'm clipping their wings. Now I'm clipping their feathers underneath the wing, which does not hurt them whatsoever. It just makes them unbalanced when they try to fly or flop, whatever. They try to fly, but they can't because they're flightless birds. So I do this so that first, I have a better chance of catching them. Second, they won't jump over the fence. So that's what I do, and I do this to most of my birds till they know that, like, they can't really do it. They get too big and too bored to do it. So I do that, and then I'm going to be putting them into the other, with the other ladies. So I'm going to combine the two flocks together. Now, there's going to be a bit of a pecking order issue, so what I mean by pecking order is that they peck each other to know their dominance and their like level in the group. So like Mary, the black chicken, not this one, my original in the other flock, she's more of the main leader. So if one of these ones, like this copper Marin, black copper Marin, if she were to go and kind of wrestle with Mary, the leader, she would have a tough time because of the fact that she's a leader and Mary doesn't want to lose her place in the flock, in the whatever you call it. So that's my little explanation, if that makes sense. I tried to do my best, but yeah, and they're really hard to catch. So don't worry, I'm not hurting them whatsoever, and they're now enjoying life on the grass. Enjoy. Oh. Yeah, that's gonna happen.
Yeah. See the white one? Ducked and everything.
Oh my gosh, you are a fighter.
You got some challenges.
Look, Susan doesn't even know who she was fighting.
Oh, what happened? Oh, look at that the new one, eh?
Yeah, the new one actually challenged Mary. That one.
Yeah.
Oh, that one over there is fitting in right away. Oh, oh. Oh. Shouldn't be laughing, but she's like, why did you stop me from fighting? They're all getting along perfectly. You're done enough, okay, Mary? You're done enough. This is your pack, we get it. Okay, drink some water. Okay, well, I'll take a video when